Math Olympics, they kind of sit in their little grade level groups, and it's a lot easier for them to learn because they are sharing their ideas with their grade level classmates. And they are also working together if they choose to. They can work alone or they can work together. In Math Olympics, where we focus on math computation and reasoning, and each grade level has a specific skill area that they should know. So like, for example, third grade's working on multiplication, subtraction, addition problems. Fourth grade is about, they add on division and fractions as well. Fifth grade, sixth grade, seventh grade, and eighth grade, it just continues adding on to skills that they need to know throughout the year as well. Throughout Math Olympics too, every week we go over a new skill for them, but we also kind of help them with skills that they might be struggling on. And there's many different ways that they can learn how to solve the problems, whichever way is easier for them. We also learn algorithmic styles as well. So that's like quick math, and that's good for the competitions and the computation aspect. There are two tests. There's a computation test and a reasoning test. Students get to choose whichever one they're more comfortable with taking during the competition. And it's just a great way for them to continue on learning their math and also just being more confident in their math as well. Students are able to build their confidence because in Math Olympics, when other students need help, they're working in small groups within their grade level. For those students who understand the math well, they are able to reteach it to their peers, and also those peers in turn learn how to ask for help if they're reluctant to ask for help. And this builds their character development as well, because in life, of course, they're asking for help and they're reteaching people and they're always explaining things. They're able to learn problem-solving skills with one another. They're able to communicate with one another in that way, and with me and the TA as well. This teaches them to not be afraid to ask for help where help is needed, and they are able to work together as a team. And even across grade levels, they're working with one another. Like the upper grades help the lower grades if they need help. And sometimes they even ask, like, can I help them? Which is something that I've been noticing and I think is a great thing as well. In Math Olympics, we work every week, once a week after school. It's about an hour session with everyone. Math Olympics does go from third grade to eighth grade. Being more confident in their math as well. I can see that throughout the year. A lot of times they come back to me and they say like, I know how to do this, we just learned it, but I know we learned it during Math Olympics. And I know that brings a lot of joy, and I know math sometimes is not a joyful subject, but in a way it does help them enjoy math a lot more because they are able to understand it, and they're also able to solve their problems. Even if they get it wrong, they think we know that it's okay. And we're just learning how to sharpen our skills in math and do the best we can.